August 1972. A massive explosion erupts from the surface of the Sun. Billions of tons of charged particles blast into space, racing directly toward Earth. If this storm had hit our planet at full force, satellites could have failed instantly, power grids could have collapsed, and the modern world might have been thrown into chaos. But the strangest part is this. Almost no one on Earth knew it was happening. For 9 days, humanity continued life as normal. No emergency warnings. No global panic. No headlines. And yet, behind the scenes, Earth had just narrowly avoided one of the most dangerous space events in modern history. From Earth, the Sun appears calm and peaceful. But in reality, it is an extremely violent star. Its surface is filled with powerful magnetic forces constantly twisting and colliding with each other. When these magnetic fields suddenly snap, they release enormous explosions called solar flares. Sometimes these flares launch gigantic clouds of energy and charged particles into space. These are known as solar storms. When a powerful solar storm travels toward Earth, it can interact with our planet's magnetic field, creating dangerous disturbances in space. In early August 1972, the Sun unleashed one of the fastest and most powerful solar storms ever recorded. The explosion was so intense that the storm raced through space at incredible speed. Normally, solar storms take 2 to 3 days to reach Earth. But this one arrived in less than 24 hours. To scientists today, that speed is astonishing. It was like a cosmic shockwave moving through the solar system. Fortunately, Earth has a natural defense system. A powerful magnetic field that surrounds the planet. This magnetic shield protects us from most harmful solar radiation. But when a strong solar storm strikes, even this protective shield can be shaken. During the 1972 storm, powerful magnetic disturbances rippled across Earth's magnetic field. Space around the planet became filled with energetic particles. And the effects slowly began to appear. At the time, very few people noticed anything unusual. But scientists later discovered that the storm had real consequences. Radio communications were disrupted. Space instruments detected unusual radiation levels. Even more surprising, several naval mines floating in the ocean were accidentally triggered by magnetic disturbances from the storm. This shocked researchers, because it proved just how powerful the solar event truly was. If the storm had been slightly stronger, the outcome might have been far worse. Today, humanity depends heavily on technology. Satellites control navigation systems, communication networks, and weather monitoring. A massive solar storm could damage or destroy many of these satellites. Power grids across entire countries could collapse. Air travel could be disrupted. Internet and communication systems might fail. Entire cities could be plunged into darkness. Because of events like the 1972 storm, scientists now monitor the Sun constantly. Space agencies track solar activity every day, looking for signs of dangerous eruptions. Satellites study solar flares, sunspots, and magnetic activity. But despite all this technology, predicting exactly when a massive solar storm will occur is still extremely difficult. The Sun remains unpredictable. And one day, another powerful storm will happen. The solar storm of August 1972 quietly passed through history. Almost forgotten. But it left behind an important warning. Our Sun gives life to Earth. Yet it also holds the power to disrupt the modern world in ways we rarely imagine. Sometimes the greatest threats to our planet do not come from distant asteroids or faraway galaxies. Sometimes, they come from the star shining above us every single day. And the next time the Sun unleashes a storm like that, humanity might not be as lucky. If you enjoy mysterious space stories like this, Make sure to subscribe for more cosmic discoveries.